Why is it important to pay attention to the company job description and not just the job they're offering on LinkedIn? Now, this question usually is just a personal opinion that if you have been asked this question on some kind of form on LinkedIn, you can just write whatever else and why you think that it is important. But the first of all is one is company culture and values. The company description often provides insights into the company's culture, values, and mission. The second is industry and focus. The description gives you a broader understanding of the company's industry, its products or services. Growth and stability is also another reason. Employee perspectives, because company pages often feature employee testimonials and posts, and beyond the job, a company is more than just a job it's offering as well. So by carefully reviewing the company description and other information on its LinkedIn page, you can make a more informed decision about whether the company is right fit for you, both in terms of specific job and your overall career aspirations. So I hope that this video helped you. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.